When it comes to maintaining comfort in your home, windows play a much larger role than many homeowners realize. In a climate like Austin, where warm temperatures and bright sun are common, choosing the right energy-efficient window features can make a meaningful difference. From reducing heat gain to improving indoor temperature stability, modern window technology is designed to support year-round comfort. For homeowners in Austin, understanding which features matter most helps ensure a smart and lasting investment. Low-E glass coatings. One of the most important features in energy-efficient windows is low-E, low-emissivity, glass. This special coating reflects certain types of heat energy while allowing natural light to pass through. In Austin homes, low-E coatings help reduce the amount of solar heat entering through the glass. This keeps interiors brighter without creating excessive warmth near windows. The result is a more comfortable living space that still benefits from natural light. Double or triple pane construction. Single pane windows allow heat to pass through easily, making it difficult to maintain stable indoor temperatures. Energy-efficient windows in Austin typically feature double or even triple panes of glass. The space between these panes acts as an insulating barrier, reducing heat transfer and improving overall temperature control. Insulating gas fills between the panes of energy-efficient windows. Insulating gas is often used instead of regular air. This gas slows the movement of heat, enhancing the window's performance. For Austin homeowners, gas-filled windows contribute to better insulation and reduced temperature fluctuations. Quality frame materials. The frame of a window is just as important as the glass itself. Poor quality frames can allow air leaks or conduct heat. Energy-efficient windows designed for Austin homes often feature durable frames that resist warping and maintain tight seals. This helps reduce drafts and supports long-term performance. Tight sealing and weather stripping. Even small gaps around a window can impact comfort. High-quality weather stripping and precise installation ensure that energy-efficient windows in Austin homes are properly sealed. This minimizes unwanted air infiltration and keeps conditioned air inside. Proper window orientation considerations. In sunny climates, orientation matters. Windows facing certain directions may receive more direct sunlight. Austin homeowners often benefit from energy-efficient features that manage heat gain in high-exposure areas. Selecting windows with appropriate glass coatings for sun-facing walls supports balanced indoor comfort. Solar heat gain control. Solar heat gain refers to the amount of heat that enters a home through window glass. Energy-efficient windows are designed to limit excessive solar heat gain while still allowing natural light. In Austin, this feature is especially important for maintaining cool interiors during warmer months. UV protection benefits. Beyond temperature control, modern windows also help protect interior furnishings. Energy-efficient glass in Austin homes can reduce the amount of ultraviolet light entering the space. This helps preserve flooring, furniture, and decor from fading over time. Long-term comfort and performance. Energy efficiency is not just about reducing heat, it's about creating a consistently comfortable indoor environment. By combining multiple features, low-E coatings, multi-pane glass, insulated frames, and tight seals, energy-efficient windows help Austin homeowners maintain balanced indoor temperatures throughout the year. A smart upgrade for Austin living. Choosing energy-efficient windows is one of the most impactful upgrades a homeowner can make. For residents in Austin, focusing on features that reduce heat transfer, limit air leaks, and manage solar exposure ensures long-term comfort. The right combination of glass technology, frame construction, and professional installation supports a home that stays cooler, brighter, and more comfortable in every season.